This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Vanessa Gillis. Waterfront property. Great vacation rental. Spectacular views of the water from the living room and bedroom through tall brand new sliding glass doors. Enjoy watching manatees and dolphins swim by your own backyard. This beautiful two-halves condo is virtually maintenance-free. It has gorgeous new tile plank floors throughout. All brand new stainless steel appliances, brand new air conditioner and hot water heater, new electrical updates with modern recessed lighting installed. New high-level quartz countertops, upgraded cabinetry. The oversized kitchen island provides double the seating area for bar stools and a separate kitchen dining area. Enjoy the large master bedroom suite with sliding glass door access to your outdoor patio and a spectacular renovated master bath. Master bath features a beautiful quartz countertop, new cabinetry, accent fixtures, tall glass stand-up shower, and more. Nice sized laundry room provides additional storage. This condo comes with a brand new metal roof, 2022, and the exterior is freshly painted. 2021, your maintenance-free HOA fees puts your money right back at ya. Where it should go. HOA dues go towards exterior building maintenance, pest control, cement walkways, seawall upkeep, exterior, homeowners hazard and flood insurance included, HOA Legal/accounting, grounds maintenance, outdoor lighting, reserve fund, cable, Wi-Fi, trash removal, new community pool, 2021, pool service, recreational facilities, tennis, and pickleball courts. This condo is in a highly sought-after 44-acre sanctuary of the islands at Dixie Shores. Enjoy kayaking and other water activities from your backyard with canal access to the Gulf of Mexico. Conveniently located near the Freedom Boat Club, multiple natural water springs, downtown, golf course, grocery stores, restaurants, shopping centers, entertainment, and much more. This is a great investment with high rental potential. Check out the local events calendar, https://www.discovercrystalriverful.com/events/annual/. Make this your full-time, seasonal, or rental home. For more information, review the details below or contact Vanessa Gillis at 727-286-8789.